Ask any scientist, you are great scientist, can you say what is God? The reply will be, no, we don't believe in. We don't believe. Why? We believe in the laws of God. Yes, that we are studying. The laws mean somebody has made that law. That is our experience. It's like when we understand government laws, we understand also the government has enacted this law. It's like on the street, when you go, it is written there, keep to the left. It is the order of the government. You have to abide by that. That is obedience to the government. Discipline is the first law of obedience. If people do not care for the government laws, then there will be chaos. So the present situation is the so-called modern civilization. They have no knowledge of God. Although they are trying to study the laws of God, that they should accept, at least theoretically, there must be God. How I can say God is dead? Because if God is the lawgiver, by His order everything is moving nicely. The sun is rising exactly at the time. The moon is rising exactly at the time. The seasonal changes are taking place exactly in due course of time. Everything is going on. Foods are grown for our feeding, for animals. Everything is going on nicely. So how I can say the manager who is managing all these things is dead? How can I say? These are imperfect knowledge or demonic knowledge or rascaldom. So our Krishna consciousness movement is against all this. We present, here is God. Here is God. His name, take His name, take His address also. That is our Supreme. It is so perfect. They are searching after God. We are giving the name, address, activity, everything, quality, Naam, Roop, Lila, Parikar, Vaishishta, everything. Naam means name. Here is name, Krishna, God's name. Here is the form. He is engaged in enjoyment with Radharani and playing on his flute. Venum kannantam aravindalayataksam. We are not imagining, not that there's artist imagine, the poet imagine. No, we don't do that ourselves. We don't do that. We take information from the Vedas. Krishna, when he was present personally, he played on his flute. The gopis saw, and the cow saw 5,000 years ago, and the acharyas took information. That even if you don't believe in the history, then come to Shastra. The Shastra says, the Supreme Personality of Godhead is always engaged in playing on his flute. This is Vedic step. His eyes are just like lotus petals. Barahavatam samasitam vadasundarangam. He has got a peacock feather on his head. These are the descriptions in the Vedas. He has got a peacock feather on his head. Barahavatam samasitam vadasundarangam. His collar is blackish. What kind of black is? Masitam, just like a new cloud. Masitam sundarangam. But don't think because he's black he's not beautiful. He's most beautiful. How much beautiful? Kandat koti kamaniyam visesa sobam. He's so beautiful that if you gather millions of cupids, he's more beautiful. These descriptions are there. So, Krishna consciousness movement is very nice. You'll be able to understand what is God. And you'll be able to understand what is your relationship with God. And you'll be able to understand how you can go back to home, back to God. Thank you.